Hello friends, welcome to my channel and hope so that you all are great. Today I'm very happy because I bought a new bag. In today's video, I'm going to show you my new bag. So in front of you, let's get started. I got 50% off because it was a season of love, Valentine, and I bought this. And I'm extremely happy that I did a good purchase. Okay guys, now let's get started with it. I'm just going to open it. And as you can see that this is my favorite color. It is a peach type of color. So this is the bag brand of Caprice. As you can see, actually मुझे इसके handles काफ़ी अच्छी लगी. The chain is goldenish in color and it's really awesome. It gives you a luxurious look. As you can see, the chains are amazing and you can see the design especially. I really like this. It's amazing, perfect. जितनी तारीफ करो उतनी कम है friends. I bought it in 1820. It is compact in look, and guys, if you like my video, then do please give a thumbs up.